Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of January, 2025, our system has ranked QQQ as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.18. Let's take a look at the exchange-traded fund's performance during this period. The exchange-traded fund has seen a gain of 3.39%. This translates to an average return of 0.21% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a mild upward trend in the short term, indicating the possibility of further increases within this trend. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of approximately 3.07% over the next 3 months, with returns ranging from negative 2.24% to positive 5.04%. Looking at the trend over the past 12 months, it indicates a change of around 22.07% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between 10.68% and 27.96%. This could result in a price range of approximately $597.15 to $690.38 after a year. Our latest daily update for QQQ reveals an interesting headline: a green day on Wednesday for QQQ ETF after gaining a small fraction of a percent. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, the QQQ ETF experienced a slight increase of approximately 0.26%. The price rose from $539.38 to $539.52. This marks its 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be intriguing to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF showed some volatility, fluctuating by 0.81%, with a low of $536.46 and a high of $540.80. Over the last 10 days, the price has increased on 8 occasions and has risen by 2.87% in the past 2 weeks. However, it is worth noting that the trading volume decreased by 606,000 shares, with a total of 19 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $10.3 billion. This decline in volume amid rising prices could indicate a divergence, serving as a potential early warning for possible changes in the next few days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF reached $540.80, while the lowest price was $413.07. Currently, the price is 0.24% or $1.28 below the 52-week high of $540.80, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. In today's market update, the Nasdaq 100 Index ETF, known as QQQ, is gaining attention for various reasons. Recently highlighted in an episode of the ETF of the Week, the NEOS Nasdaq 100 High Income ETF, referred to as QQQI, has sparked discussions about income generation from this technology-focused index. Analysts believe this may enhance investor interest, potentially driving up the trading volume of the ETF. Furthermore, QQQ is recognized as home to leading value creators. However, it's essential to note that past performance does not guarantee future results. A recent comparison of QQQ's performance against Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway emphasizes how some passively managed ETFs have outperformed actively managed funds, placing QQ in a favorable light for both new and seasoned investors. Despite concerns regarding inflation and geopolitical risks, QQQ's strong recovery from a dip in January has brought it close to all-time highs once again. As the adoption of artificial intelligence continues to transform industries, QQQ is well positioned to capture growth, particularly within the technology and financial sectors. With rising interest, long-term investors might also consider QQQM, which offers lower fees while providing similar exposure. In the short term, Increased discussions and favorable comparisons can elevate QQQ's prices as investor confidence strengthens. However, the potential for volatility and shifting market conditions underscores the importance of strategic hedging for current holders to guard against downturns. Overall, QQQ remains a focal point for investors seeking growth opportunities in a rapidly evolving landscape. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The chart indicates mostly positive signals today. The QQQ ETF shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $534.03 and $522.38. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was activated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 14, 2025, and thus far, it has increased by 6.82%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, buy signal from 25 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 2 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, sell signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 111 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $521.74, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the associated risk is considered quite low. During the last day, the fund fluctuated $4.34 between its highest and lowest points, which is an approximate change of 0.81%. Over the past week, the fund has experienced an average daily volatility of 0.97%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate that there are low expectations for the company's future, or suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for the QQQ exchange-traded fund. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the ETF could move upwards swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and use volume as a guide for determining when to exit. On the downside, the QQQ encounters its first support level at $521.74. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $515.06, representing a decrease of 4.53%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which results in minimal risk. A buy signal has been generated from a pivot bottom identified 24 days ago. Is QQ ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with an overall positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for QQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems determine that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 20th of February, we anticipate QQQ to open lower by approximately 59 cents and begin trading at $538.93. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.